Excuse me, can I order coffee, please?
Sure. What size? Hot or iced? Milk? Sugar?
No, too fast. I don't understand.
Hey, relax. Breathe.
I'm trying, but they speak so fast.
You don't need perfect English. You need simple English.
Okay, I try again. I'd like a coffee, please.
Perfect. What size?
Small, please.
See? You can do it.
Maybe I can learn English.
Not maybe. You will.
In 30 days?
Yes, in 30 days with practice every day.
Okay, let's start.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Welcome back. Today we are very, very hungry.
Extremely hungry.
Hungry level 100.
Same here.
What did you eat today?
I had bread and tea.
That is small food.
What did you eat?
I ate nothing.
Nothing?
Yes, I was waiting for this moment.
This is not a good plan.
It is a dangerous plan
Why didn't you eat?
because I want to practice ordering food.
So you are hungry for learning?
Yes, and for chicken.
Of course.
Always chicken.
Do you ever eat vegetables?
Yes, sometimes, by mistake.
By mistake?
Yes, when vegetables hide inside rice.
You are funny.
I am serious.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook sometimes.
What do you cook?
I cook noodles.
That's good.
And I cook water.
Not this again.
Boiled water. Very professional.
You need help.
That is why I am here.
Good. Today we help you.
Thank you. Please help me.
Today we talk about ordering food at a restaurant
My favorite topic.
and your biggest fear.
Yes,
But today, no fear.
I hope so.
You will speak simple English.
Simple is good.
Slow is good,
Slow is very good.
and mistakes are okay.
I like mistakes
Why?
because I make many.
That is okay.
Okay, I am ready.
Good. Imagine this.
I am imagining.
You walk into a restaurant.
I walk slowly.
You sit down.
I sit carefully
Why carefully?
because I don't want to break the chair.
The chair is strong.
Okay, good.
A waiter comes to you.
My heart is beating fast.
Calm down.
I am trying.
The waiter smiles.
That is good.
The waiter says, "Hello, can I help you?"
Okay, I answer.
Go ahead.
Hello. Yes, I want food.
Not bad, but better.
Okay.
Say, "Can I see the menu?"
Can I see the menu?
Good. Again.
Can I see the menu?
Perfect. The waiter gives you the menu.
I look at the menu.
What do you see?
I see many foods.
Are you confused?
Yes, very confused.
Then ask, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend?
Good. Again.
What do you recommend?
Nice. The waiter suggests chicken and rice.
Good choice.
Now you order.
I say, I would like rice and chicken.
Excellent. Say it again.
I would like rice and chicken.
Very good. The waiter asks, "Anything to drink?"
I say, yes, I would like juice.
Perfect.
I feel good.
You should.
I am learning.
Yes, you are. The waiter asks, "Anything else?"
I say, no, that's all.
Very good.
That was easy.
Yes, very easy.
I am happy.
Me too.
I am now confident.
Say it again.
I am confident.
Good.
I am confident.
Even better.
I am very confident.
Okay, relax.
Sorry.
Let's practice more phrases.
Yes, please.
Repeat after me.
I am ready.
Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
Again.
Can I see the menu?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Again.
What do you recommend?
Nice. I would like.
I would like.
Again.
I would like.
Can I get.
Can I get?
Again.
Can I get?
Anything to drink?
Anything to drink?
Again.
Anything to drink?
I'm not ready yet.
I'm not ready yet.
Again.
I'm not ready yet.
That's all.
That's all.
Again.
That's all.
Can I have water?
Can I have water?
No onions, please.
No onions, please.
Make it spicy.
Make it spicy.
For here or takeaway?
For here or takeaway?
For here.
For here.
Takeaway.
Takeaway.
How much is it?
How much is it?
Can I pay?
Can I pay?
Cash or card?
Cash or card?
Here is your order.
Here is your order.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great job.
Thank you.
Now let's do a full conversation.
Okay.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, can I see the menu?
Of course.
Thank you.
What would you like?
I would like rice and chicken.
Anything to drink?
Yes, I would like juice.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
For here or takeaway?
For here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Now slow version.
Okay.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, can I see the menu?
Of course.
Thank you.
What would you like?
I would like rice and chicken.
Anything to drink?
Yes, I would like juice.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
For here or takeaway?
For here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Now, shadowing practice.
I am ready.
Hello.
Hello.
Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
I would like rice and chicken.
I would like rice and chicken.
Anything to drink?
Anything to drink?
That's all.
That's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You did very well today.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Are you still scared?
No, I am a little brave now.
That's great.
I can order food.
Yes, you can.
I will go to a restaurant today.
Good idea.
I will not run away.
Please don't.
I will sit and order food.
Like a pro.
Like a pro.
Remember, simple English is enough.
Simple is powerful.
Speak slowly.
Slowly and clearly.
And don't be afraid.
No fear.
Mistakes are okay.
I like mistakes now.
Good.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
And thank you, everyone.
Keep practicing every day.
Practice makes progress.
See you next time.
See you next time.